art that refers to the distance or area between, around, above, below, or within objects. It can be a two-dimensional or it can be a three-dimensional. It can be a flat space, curved space, it can be a shallow, it can be a deep space. There can be positive spaces and negative spaces also. These spaces can be actual or just an illusion. See this example. This is a 2D space and the next one is a three-dimensional space. Positive space. A space that can be used for humans' comfort. A negative space is a space that cannot be used for a human comfort. As you can see that the room is perfectly occupied with the furniture. There is no space left which is unused. Now look at this image. When you will see the image, you will see that the room is so big and the furniture which is kept here is very less. You can see that there are a lot of spaces in front of the furniture which is empty. They are not using this space, so this is a negative space. Just imagine there is a small room, very small room, and you have put lots of furniture in it, that there is no space left for walking or moving. So, will you be comfortable living there? Whether it will be called a positive or negative space, obviously, that will be a negative space. Form. It is an element of art that is three-dimensional. It has height, width and depth. For example, this triangle which is two-dimensional is a shape, and when you add the third dimension to it, it becomes a pyramid which is three-dimensional. A form can be organic, inorganic or geometric. It can be open forms, it can be closed forms. Organic forms are natural and living forms. Inorganic forms are geometrical forms which are man-made. Open forms are the forms which are open at one end. As you can see the image, you will feel that something is welcoming you. Closed forms. Closed forms are the forms which are self-contained, that is, which are complete in itself. As you can see this image, that you can see the sitting on the right side which are enclosed in a hut. Now the enclosed shape of the hut make the space self-contained.